Albert, ma'am.
Yes, Mayor Albert, yes. Mayor Albert, can you confirm to us, were people killed in last night's blasts, and how many?
I am confirming, ma'am, there are injuries, but there is no dead, ma'am.
Okay, so no dead. How many ilang tao po sir ang injured?
Based sa report kanina umaga, ma'am, there are siguro more than 35.
Oh, more than 25. Okay.
35.
More than 35. Okay.
Yes.
So, kamusta na po sila, sir? Nasaan na po ba sila ngayon?
Some of those are in the Tacloban Hospital, some in Baybay, some in Southern Leyte, but most of them are just in my town. But they are just suffering minor injuries.
Minor injuries sila. So, ano po ba exactly ang nangyari kagabi, sir? Pwede mo ikwento sa amin?
Yung nangyari kagabi, ma'am, because I was there. I was about 12 meters far away from that the said bomb. There was an explosion at about 9:30 a.m. and it was a mortar with improvised cell phone detonator.
Okay.
There were two blasts. One after the first blast, 30 seconds after comes the second blast. Luckily, yung second blast parang hindi perfectly sabi ng yung bomb expert na kulang daw yung detonating code nila was not successfully defused. Hindi successfully paggawa. Parang mahina yung pagputok. Pero yung first bomb, yun talaga ang malakas. Pero supposed to be, sabi nila, kung it was successfully installed pa yung second bomb, siguro lahat ng mga tao doon madadali because it was 81 mm mortar.
Mayor, na sa isang interview, parang nabanggit mo yata na this was not expected kasi wala naman kayong alam na mayroong threats sa Hilongos. Bago ba dito, sir, meron bang mga dating threats dito sa Hilongos na posibleng baka may kinalaman doon?
No, ma'am, we don't have any, ma'am, ever since.
Wala talaga. So
Wala
ano sabi sa inyo ng police, sir? Ano kaya ang motibo nito? Anong nakikita nila sa kanilang initial na investigasyon?
Wala kami talaga nakita, ma'am. We are a peaceful town and wala kaming na-receive na any bomb threat. That was the first time na nangyari sa bayan ito, ma'am.
Okay. So, sir, ngayon kasi papasok na rin ang New Year. Ano po ang isinasagawa ngayon ng local government, sir, para masigurado para masigurado na maging peaceful po ang pagsalubong ng bagong taon?
Siguro I have to call my officials this morning and then you have to convene, then decide immediately. Siguro we will avoid all firecrackers na. And this town and we have a festival this 31st of this month, and we are expecting a big crowd again. And we'll be avoiding big crowd because tingin ko baka may mga after effect pa yung ginagawa yung nag-destabilize bayan ko.
Okay. Thank you so much for speaking with us, Mayor Albert.